How to view login history on Binance application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Binance and want to check your login history, then Binance lets you review your recent account login activity so that you can monitor when and where your account was accessed. Firstly, open up the Binance application or visit the Binance website and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap at the top left corner from the home screen. Now click on your profile icon at the top of the screen and in the Account Info tab, click on Security. Inside the Security tab, scroll down and look for Devices and tap on it. Inside My Devices tab, you'll be able to see your list of recent login sessions. It'll also show you the details of the device, location, IP address, and date and time for each logins when available. Since I have logged in my Binance to only one device, which is this current device over here, it is only showing me one login whatsoever, but if you have several other logins with the same account, it will be listed over here on this page. So right next to the logins, if you want to log out of a device that looks suspicious or the login that you don't recognize, you can remove the device by tapping the logout button right next to the session. So that's how you successfully view your Binance login history. Monitoring your recent login activity helps keep your account safe and lets you quickly spot any unauthorized access. If your video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.